Welcome back to DriveVerse, where we dive into the future of performance, tech, and automotive innovation. And today, we're not just looking at any car. We're witnessing the evolution of an icon. Meet the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, a machine so powerful, so radical, it redefines what it means to be an American supercar. With 1,064 horsepower, advanced aerodynamics, and true track pedigree, this is no longer just a fast Corvette. This is a world-class hypercar killer. So buckle up, because this is our deepest dive yet. Design and aerodynamics, sculpted by speed, the ZR1 doesn't whisper its intentions. It screams them. Up front, an aggressive fascia is dominated by oversized air intakes feeding cool air into the beastly engine. The carbon fiber front splitter and sculpted hood vents aren't just for looks. They're functional components of a wind tunnel-honed body. Around the side, flared fenders wrap tightly over massive wheels and sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, while the rear is crowned by a towering carbon fiber wing in the ZTK track package. This is not subtle, and it's not supposed to be. The ZR1 generates up to 1,200 pounds of downforce, sticking to the tarmac like glue at over 200 miles per hour. And it's not just drag-limited fast. It's aero-optimized, corner-capable fast. Interior, driver's command center. Step inside, and the ZR1 stays true to the Corvette's fighter jet-inspired cockpit. But this one is turned up to 11. Bolstered competition-grade bucket seats wrap around you, offering both comfort and support. Leather, Alcantara, and exposed carbon fiber dominate the materials, showing this isn't just luxury, it's race-ready refinement. A digital cluster gives you instant feedback on performance data, tire temps, G-forces, and lap timing. The infotainment system is familiar but functional, and yes, a refreshed triple-screen design is expected in the 2026 Zora model. But in the ZR1, simplicity keeps the focus where it belongs, on driving. Performance, a monster unleashed. Let's talk numbers, the kind that make your pulse quicken. Under the hood lies a 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8, supercharged to perfection, producing 1,064 horsepower. This is the most powerful internal combustion Corvette in history, and one of the most powerful production V8s ever. Torque, a monstrous 850 lb-ft, channeled through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission with brutal precision. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.8 seconds. Top speed, 233 miles per hour. Quarter mile, you'll brake 10 seconds without breaking a sweat. The ZR1 pulls like a freight train, revs like a race car, and handles like a weapon. But the real story is controllable. Even with this much power, GM's magnetic ride control, advanced traction systems, and electronic limited slip differential keep it sharp and drivable. It's not just speed, it's usable speed. Handling and track behavior, ZTK package magic. Opt for the ZTK package, and the ZR1 transforms from a high-speed bruiser into a full-on track assassin. The suspension is stiffer, the downforce triples, the grip becomes unreal. In corners, the ZR1 feels planted, responsive, and confident, with steering that communicates exactly what's happening underneath you. Braking is handled by massive carbon ceramic rotors, clamped by multi-piston Brembo calipers. They haul the car down from triple-digit speeds lap after lap with zero fade. And when the corners straighten out, that flat plane wail sings through the titanium exhaust, delivering an experience that's more race car than road car. Technology and safety brain behind the brawn. It's easy to forget, but the ZR1 isn't just about brute force, it's also smart. Features include a customizable digital instrument cluster, launch control and performance data recorder, magnetic ride control 4.0 for road and track adaptability, advanced stability, traction, and torque vectoring systems, driver aids like forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and blind spot warning. Yes, even at 1,000 horsepower, GM didn't forget that many buyers still want to use this as a daily driver. And surprisingly, you can. Practicality, everyday usability. It might sound crazy, but the ZR1 still retains much of the everyday usability that Corvettes are known for. It has a decent-sized trunk, a front lift system to clear speed bumps, and even wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Fuel economy? Well, let's just say if you're asking, this may not be your car. But if you're looking for balance, this beast delivers shocking real-world comfort given its absurd power. Pricing and competition, Supercar Slayer. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 starts at an estimated $160,000. But tick the ZTK and carbon options, and you'll be flirting with $180,000. Still, compare that to a Porsche 911 Turbo S, $220,000 plus, Ferrari 296 GTB, $330,000, or McLaren Artura, $250,000. And you realize, the ZR1 offers supercar-level performance at nearly half the cost. It's not just the fastest Corvette, it's one of the best performance values on the planet. Pros and cons, the DriveVerse verdict. White heavy checkmark pros.
Explosive 1,64 tisícin horsepower V8.
Aero-tuned design with ZTK performance. World-class handling and braking. Competitive price for a supercar. Daily drivability with exotic performance. Crossmark cons. Interior tech feels slightly dated. Ride is stiff with ZTK on rough roads. Rear visibility is tight, not for the faint of heart or budget. Conclusion, the American hypercar has arrived. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is no longer playing catch-up with European supercars. It's leading, with absurd horsepower, track-level grip, and a name rooted in American performance history. The ZR1 is not just a Corvette, it's a statement. If you want the ultimate expression of raw, unfiltered power combined with modern engineering, this is it. Join the DriveVerse. If this review got your heart racing, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth coverage of the latest supercars, EVs, and automotive tech. Welcome to DriveVerse, where the road ends and the future begins.